Good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone, and especially you, Ikram. I hope that you are watching this video, and I'm recording this video just for you. That is for the future version of myself. And the main reason of me recording this video is that I want to look back to the journey that I have completed whenever I see this video, and it will work as a learning chapter for the future version of myself. So I am recording the video for the day 4, that is for the 25th February 2025, and I am recording this video on 26th February 2025. I was not been able to record this video on 26th February. On 25th February, that's why I am recording it on the next day. Currently, it's 1 a.m. in the morning. That is 1 a.m. in the morning of 2020, 26th February 2025. And let me tell you what I did today, and what are the key learnings and takeaway that I got from this day. So my day started at 7:30 in the morning. I get freshen up and I did basic course. And after doing those basic course, I have to leave. I have to leave for the hackathon that I have attended. That is the NPCI hackathon, and it was organized under the Mumbai Tech Week 2025. I participated in that hackathon. That's why I have to be there on 10 o'clock. But they postponed the timings. That is, they postponed it from 10 a.m. to 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. And the hackathon would have been started from 11 a.m. And the hackathon was organized in Andheri East, that is Trip Capital. It was a crazy place, and the ambience was very nice. So I actually took a holiday. Like, I actually skipped the college for this hackathon, and I went to the hackathon. Went to the hackathon from train. The journey was not so good. It was a busy, crowded day. It was a very busy day, and that because of which the train was very crowded. And also, I couldn't get any sort of public transport until the trip capital. So I just uh, went to the trip capital just by walking. Cause of I didn't know, like, should I have done that or not. But I thought at that point I thought that it's better to actually walk, cause the hackathon will be starting at 11 a.m. and I have started walking 11 a.m. and I still had a lot of time. That is around 45 minutes to 50 minutes. That's why I thought that it's better to actually walk till the venue. And that's how I started walking. Also, when I reached the place were very nice. The place were very nice. Shit. There were many people out there who were participating in this hackathon. And they basically this hackathon only offers 3 tracks. First one was the cyber security one. Second one was for the traffic management at the busy toll plaza. And third one was the knowledge based chat retrieval system. So PDF knowledge based chat retrieval system. And I opted for the third hackathon. I participated with 2 team members. One of them were Pratik Shetty. He is my senior. And second member was Rishikesh Yadav. He was joining this hackathon remotely. When we went to this hackathon, I got to learn about many things. So let me share you the learning. First of all, it's very important that you shouldn't be dependent on some person, even though they might have promised you. So I'm not saying it in a bad way. I'm saying it in a good way. So basically, why I'm saying this, because Rishikesh meant to join us at 11 a.m. But as he is in Germany, he was not awake. He was not awake, and we actually spent 2 hours on just chit chatting with each other. And we didn't get anything until 1 p.m. So when it was 1 p.m., we made a lot of calls until 1 p.m. and he and Rishikesh finally picked up the call at 1 p.m. and we started coding at he started coding at 2:30 p.m. We only had like one and a half hours to complete that project, and it was very hectic hackathon. So I will tell you what was happened. So Rishikesh was basically into RAG and LLMs. So he was doing the AI part. I was basically doing the data pre-processing part, the data which so basically they were offering us a PDF. So I actually took the data sets from the website and converted into the JSON based data, and that data was used by the vector embedding in LLMs in order to generate the insights whenever any question was asked by the user. So that's how we did this thing. So let me tell you what was very hectic about this. So firstly, we got very less time. The hackathon actually had only 5 hours to build a project, and that was very a short span of time. Also, I made a major mistake that took a lot of time. That's one of the biggest mistake was actually making the force push to the GitHub. So basically, I was working on a different GitHub repository, and Rishikesh was working on a different GitHub repository, and we pushed the code. But the main problem was that that I had not added my part of the code, and when I wanted to add the code, I was not being able to do that because of merge conflicts, and I tried pulling all the data, but still I was not being able to do that because the amount of data that I had was not actually available on the original GitHub repository. So I tried various methods, and one of those methods was git force push, and that was a total disastrous step that I took. Because of this, the complete GitHub repository got updated, and my file get uploaded over there, and his file was not been there because I took over the GitHub repository. So the only thing that we could do is to actually manually add the data, like manually add the code files again, and we we basically figured this step after a long period of time, basically 20 minutes to 15 minutes, and that took a lot of time. As I said, that we only had 5 hours to complete the project, but out of that 5 hours, we already wasted 3 hours. And when we started coding, this hurdle came into the picture, and because of this, it took a lot of time. Again, we surpassed those hurdles. I guess we did the great job. Even though we didn't win the hackathon, I managed to convince the judge to join us for a tutorial video where we showcased our project and let them know how it actually works. Actually, they were I think that they were impressed. They were impressed about the project that we created, and they also gave us the feedback, and we will definitely work on that. We have created is basically we have used existing LLMs. We have used ChatGPT 3.5 Turbo in order to generate the text conversation, and we have used the vector embedding for this. We use vector embedding, and we didn't use the PDF. So what we did basically, we actually got the URL for the data set. So we extracted all the data, and you can see over here that we have already pre-processed the complete data into the JSON object. Let me show you that. So this is stream data JSON, and you can see over here. See the circular, whatever circular we have shared the names and the PDF link and the complete content that is being written into that circular.
The link is from the URL, or is it downloaded under the path?
No, ma'am. Actually, it is from the website that you guys shared. Basically, related dataset website. I will be telling you why we are using this links. So, say for example, this is the RAG UI. This is the example of the question that you can ask. For example, I will ask the latest payment update on UPI payments. Right? When I click on this, it will take some time. Okay, the query is being over here. It is running on the GCP, that's why it is taking some time. Okay. So for say for example, I have to select this query, but you can write any query manually. Just search it. It will give you the result. Like you can restrict the result number of results you want. You have to click on the search button. It did everything. Like it's the vector embedding in the backend. So basically, we convert this into the vector and measure for the person. Also, it was a pretty great day. After the hackathon, me and Pratik went to just roam here and there. So we went to the Marine Drive. We have a very long chat. We just like we had a very long chat, and definitely it was a very insightful conversation. I got to learn so many things from him, and I think that it was a very beneficial for me. It was so today. I think the today was very productive day for me. Also, like I got to know about various type of opportunities which are available in the Web3 space. I will be applying for those opportunities, and one of them is to apply for the super team bounty, like super team grants. Also, another one is to actually apply for the Move AI hackathon. Move AI hackathon. I will be super focused on the Move AI hackathon, and I will be generating the project. I have even thought about the idea about that project. The title for the project that I will be building is Bitch I'm Stylish. Also, after this, I also thought about building one more project that is Fuck You. That is the project which is basically similar to the Web3 event management system. Uh, Aside this, beside this, there are various things that we discussed, and it was a very great day. Also, I will be applying for the one more internship opportunity that is at Lance. This is what I have learned from the 26th February 2025. I hope that I hope that this video is insightful. And if you are watching this video and if you are not Vikrant, so please forgive me. This is me, Vikrant, sharing this video through sharing this journey through this form of video. And I don't know how to conclude. So thanks for watching.